Right now, we wanted to talk about this. The CDC is reportedly preparing to loosen its COVID guidelines, no longer advising Americans to isolate for 5 days before returning back to their normal activities. Those plans, first reported by the Washington Post, would be the first easing of CDC COVID recommendations that we've seen in nearly 3 years. Kelsey Kernstein has the details. Kelsey, what more do we know about the CDC's considered policy change here?
Yeah, Markie, that is exactly right. So if this is approved and someone gets COVID, according to these new reported CDC recommendations, it would be up to their discretion when they would go back to work. They would no longer need to isolate for 5 days. Now, under these new recommended guidelines, Americans would no longer be required to isolate if their symptoms are mild or improved or they're feverless for 24 hours. However, it is very important to note that these guidelines would not apply to hospitals and other healthcare facilities with vulnerable groups. Now, this recommended policy change is similar to policies already implemented in California and Oregon earlier this year. That is where health officials in both states recommended no isolation as long as no symptoms are present. Essentially, these guidelines would treat COVID like any other respiratory illness, such as the flu or RSV. Now, the CDC would not confirm nor deny the new guidelines. But in a statement, agency officials told NewsNation there were no updates to report, adding, quote, "We will continue to make these decisions based on the best evidence and science to keep communities healthy and safe." Now, CDC officials told the Washington Post the White House has yet to sign off on these new recommendations. Now, the CDC is expected to put these new guidelines out to the public in April for feedback. Markie?
Yeah, so many people feeling like it's just endemic at this point. Kelsey, thanks for the updates and developments. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.